What is AI, and how can it help you? Welcome to AI Tools for Everyone. Today, we're uncovering the magic behind artificial intelligence, or AI, and how it can make your life easier. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is AI? Simply put, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and even creativity. Think of AI as a digital assistant that can learn and adapt to make life more convenient. From your smartphone's voice assistant to tools that write, design, or analyze data for you, AI is already a big part of our lives. It's not some distant sci-fi dream, it's here and evolving fast. Now, let's explore some ways AI can help you. Here are a few examples you might find interesting. First, AI can enhance your productivity. Take Grammarly, for example. It's an AI writing assistant that helps you write better emails, essays, and more by correcting grammar and suggesting improvements. Second, AI can boost your creativity. Tools like Canva AI allow you to create professional quality designs in minutes, even if you have no design experience. Third, AI can simplify planning and problem solving. With ChatGPT, you can brainstorm ideas, plan your schedule, or even get help with tricky questions. AI isn't just for personal use. It's transforming industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment, making services faster, smarter, and more accessible. Why should you embrace AI? Because it saves time, increases efficiency, and unlocks new possibilities. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to empower us. And there you have it, a quick introduction to AI and how it can help you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time on AI Tools for Everyone.